Conversation 1. The Zombie Morning.
Whoa, you look like a zombie today.
Don't talk to me yet, please.
That bad, huh?
I didn't sleep at all last night.
Why? What happened to you?
My neighbor's dog barked all night long.
Oh no, that sounds absolutely terrible.
I know, I wanted to scream so badly.
Did you go and complain to them?
No way, I was way too tired.
Okay then, let me make you coffee.
Please, I need it so desperately.
How do you usually take your coffee?
Strong and make it really sweet.
So that's 2 sugars, right?
Yes, and please add lots of milk.
Got it. Here you go, my friend.
I'm finally alive now.
Haha, are you feeling any better?
A little bit. What time is it?
It's almost 8 o'clock already.
What? We're going to be so late.
Calm down, we still have some time.
No, I'm not even dressed yet.
Then go and get ready quickly.
Okay, what about our breakfast?
Just grab a banana on your way out.
Fine. Did you eat anything already?
Yes, I had cereal earlier today.
You're so organized in the morning.
Well, someone has to be.
Hey, thanks for the coffee, really.
No problem. Are you ready to go?
Almost. Let me just brush my teeth.
I'll wait for you outside the door.
Please don't leave without me today.
I won't. Just hurry up now.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Finally, let's get out of here.
Wait, did you lock the back door?
Yes, I did. Don't worry about it.
Okay, good. Now I'm really ready. Conversation 2. The Friday Report Panic.
Hey, Sarah, you look really worried today.
I am so stressed right now, honestly.
What's the matter with you?
This stupid report is due in 2 hours.
Oh, no. Are you almost finished with it?
No, I'm completely stuck on page 5.
Can I help you with anything?
Really? You don't mind helping me?
Of course not. What's the actual problem?
The numbers don't match at all here.
Let me take a quick look for you.
Look here. And then look here.
Oh, I see the mistake right now.
You do? What is it exactly?
You used the wrong formula in this cell.
Oh no, did I really do that?
Yes, but it's an incredibly easy fix.
Can you please show me how?
Sure, just change this part right here.
Like this? Is this correct now?
Yes, perfect. Now save it quickly.
Done! You are an absolute genius.
Haha, I know.
Seriously though, thank you so much.
Don't even worry about it at all.
Can I at least buy you lunch?
You really don't have to do that.
I want to. Please let me do this.
Okay, fine. You've convinced me now.
Great! Where do you want to go?
How about that new sandwich place downtown?
Perfect. I absolutely love that place.
Me too. Their chicken sandwich is amazing.
Okay, let me just finish this last part.
Take your time. I'll wait for you.
Just give me about 10 more minutes.
No problem. I'll check my emails now.
Hey, Mark, can I ask you something?
Yeah? What is it?
You're the best coworker I've ever had.
Haha, please don't tell the others that.
Your secret is totally safe with me.
Are you ready for the weekend finally?
So ready. Do you have any plans?
Just sleeping. That's my only plan.
Same here, honestly.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go eat now.
Finally, I am absolutely starving here. Conversation 3. What's for dinner? Hey babe, how was your work today?
Long and really tiring.
Same here. I'm so completely exhausted.
So, what's for dinner tonight?
I don't know. I didn't cook anything.
That's okay. What do you feel like?
I don't have the energy to think.
Should we just order some pizza?
But we had pizza just yesterday.
Oh, yeah. What about Chinese food then?
Maybe. I'm not sure yet.
Or we could just cook some pasta?
That sounds like way too much work.
Okay then, what about simple sandwiches?
That's so boring. I want something nice.
You're being so picky today.
Sorry, I'm just really tired right now.
I know, me too, honestly.
Let's just order something delicious tonight.
Fine. What are you actually craving for?
Something healthy for once this week.
Healthy? Are you being serious right now?
Yes, we ate junk food all week.
You're right. What about a big salad?
Salad is not a proper dinner, Tom.
Okay then, grilled chicken?
With lots of fresh vegetables?
Yes, and some steamed rice too.
That actually sounds really good now.
Great. Should I cook it tonight?
Really? You'll actually cook for me?
Yeah, why not? I don't mind.
You are absolutely amazing, you know?
I know. Just relax now.
Are you sure I can help you cook?
No, stay on the couch and rest.
Okay, if you really insist then.
I do. Watch TV or something nice.
What are you making exactly right now?
Chicken, broccoli, and some steamed rice.
Yum! I'm suddenly so hungry now.
Good. It'll be ready in 30 minutes.
Can I at least set the table?
Sure, that would actually help a lot.
Done. Hey, Tom, can I say something?
Yeah? What is it?
I really, really love you.
I love you too, Lisa.
Even when I'm being super picky.
Especially when you're being super picky.
You're so silly sometimes.
And you're so hungry. Go relax now.
Okay, I'm going right now. Conversation 4. The shirt that didn't fit. Hello, welcome to our store today.
Hi, I need to return this shirt.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
It's way too small for me.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it right here.
Perfect. You bought this just yesterday.
Yes, I tried it on at home.
And it didn't fit you properly?
No, the shoulders are way too tight.
That's a shame. It's such a nice shirt.
I know, I really do like it.
Would you like a different size, perhaps?
Do you have this in a large?
Let me check in the back quickly.
Okay, I'll wait here for you.
I'm so sorry about this.
What's wrong? Don't you have it?
We only have the medium size left.
Oh no, are you being serious right now?
Yes, but we have other nice colors.
In the large size too?
Yes, we have blue and black ones.
Can I see the blue one, please?
Of course. Here it is right here.
This is actually really nice.
Great choice. Do you like it?
Yes, I'll definitely take this one.
Perfect. Do you want to exchange it?
Yes, an exchange, please.
Great. The price is exactly the same.
Do I need to pay anything extra?
No, it's an even exchange today.
Awesome. Thank you so much for this.
No problem. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Anything else at all?
No, that's everything. Thanks again.
Have a really great day.
You too. Goodbye now.
Bye. Please come again soon.
I will. Thanks for your help.
Conversation 5. Saturday plans. Hey, Chloe. What are you doing? Hey, nothing much really. You? Just cooking some boring dinner. Same here. I'm so bored today. Me too. We should definitely do something. Yes, I was thinking the exact same. Are you free this Saturday evening? Let me check. Yes, I'm completely free. Perfect. What do you want to do? I don't know. Do you have ideas? We could go to the movies, maybe. Nothing good is playing right now. True. What about dinner somewhere nice? Dinner sounds absolutely perfect to me. Where do you actually want to go? How about that new Thai restaurant downtown? Oh, I heard it's really amazing there. Me too. Let's definitely try it out. Okay, Saturday at 7 p.m. sharp? Perfect. Should I book a table? Yes, please. It might get busy. I'll call them first thing tomorrow. Great. Can we invite Sarah too? Of course. The more the merrier. True. I'll text her now. Awesome. So it's officially a date. Haha, a friend date, of course. Exactly. I'm so excited about this. Me too. I really need to go out. Same. I've been home all week long. Okay, I'll text you all the details. Perfect. Talk to you later then. Bye, Chloe. Take care of yourself. Bye, Mia. I seriously can't wait. Haha, me neither. See you Saturday. See you. Bye for now.
Conversation 6. The sore throat. Good morning. This is City Clinic.
Hello, I need to make an appointment.
Of course. What is your full name?
My name is David Chen.
Are you a new patient with us?
Yes, I am completely new here.
Okay. What seems to be the problem?
I have a really bad sore throat.
Oh no. How long has this been?
It's been about 3 days now.
Any other symptoms you're having?
Yes, I have a bad cough too.
Do you have any fever at all?
No, I don't think so actually.
Okay, that's good news then.
Can I see a doctor today, please?
Let me check the schedule for you.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
We have an opening at 3 p.m.
That's perfect. I'll definitely take it.
Great. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I have insurance coverage.
Can you bring your insurance card?
Yes, of course I can do that.
And please arrive 15 minutes early.
Sure, no problem at all.
Do you know our office address?
Yes, I have it written down.
Perfect. See you at 3 p.m.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better.
I hope so too. Goodbye now.
Goodbye, Mr. Chen. Take care.